So good day guys, if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So take a look at this Amazon. We would want to know the trend for this movement. We'd start with the daily time frame. Let's zoom it out. You can see the trend for this Amazon. Simple, a bearish move. We are having a bearish move for this Amazon, right? Now let's take a look at this recent movement on this, right? The recent trend. This is clearly a bearish move also on this Amazon. So we'll take a look at this as a lows. We will now consider this as a correction. Or let's take it like this, a lows. We will now take this as a correction. A new lows has been made that broke this previous lows, right? Here comes the correction. We had a loss, then a pullback was made, kind of give us like a double top, which price failed to break above it, right? Then price dropped again. We have kind of had like a pullback here, price dropped. We kind of had another pullback, kind of like a double top, the way we had it here previously, right? We saw kind of like this level, price reacted here, then drop, kind of give us like a double top. Same thing here, price reacted here, drop, gave us like a double top. What do we expect next? Another drop to be made. Thereby, we want to see this drop take out this low. So this Amazon, we are expecting a bearish move. Notice that currently we are trading at $92, right? So we want to see it drop to a level of $86 or $85. Well, let's watch out for a level of $86. So if you are to take a trade on this Amazon, we would want to sell it straight downward to a level of 86. Now notice that this moving average, I've included this moving average, which I'm using 10 period moving average. Those of you that trade this moving average, you all know that once this price is below the moving average, it is a sell. You have to look for a way to short, right? But once it is above the moving average, it is a buy and we have to go long. So clearly, we are below the moving average. So this is a sell. So take a look at this recent movement here. This recent movement is below our moving average. So a confirmation that it is a sell, we have to sell. So all we just have to do is take it downward to this level and take out this loss, which is a level of $86. That should take us to the 4-hour time frame, right? We want to see what the 4-hour time frame says and how we will place this trade. So what does the 4-hour time frame? 4-hour time frame is giving us a bearish push. It is giving us lower lows and lower highs. We all know that we want to short it, right? We all know we are on a bearish move. And to place this so to short it, we'll go to the 4-hour time frame and we want to confirm it by saying the 4-hour time frame giving us lower lows and lower highs. Assuming it is giving us higher lows and higher highs, all we just have to do is to wait, wait for confirmation for price to drop further down or stay out of this trade. But we are seeing lower lows and lower highs. So all we just have to do is to actually enter and short this Amazon, right? So for further confirmation, we can wait for this price to actually break a level of this 91. So if price can give us to a level of 91, then if it breaks down to a level of 91, then you can now short this Amazon straight downward to a level of 85 or 86. I think 86 is okay. So Amazon, by the way, we still want to go bearish, and you can still see it on the 4-hour time frame. See price below the moving average. So Amazon, look for a way to sell this price for the day.